I didn't love you. I just loved to bake. It wasn't that big of a deal, really. Just a coincidence that I made your favorite cake. We never even dated. Of course. We were just hanging out. Obviously, you're not the guy that I told all my friends about. I didn't love you. I just lived close by. If close by was 40 minutes, if a car could suddenly fly. I didn't want to be together. The pages of my diary just fell. Ignore the ripped out and teary marks. It didn't work out, oh well. Because I didn't love you. I just wanted to try something new. But in the middle of that restaurant, my favorite thing was you. No, I mean the people. The toasted bread with garlic taste. I didn't love you, not really. Because some would say that's such a waste. I didn't want to be together. You were just sick and I had tea, but in the middle of that bookstore, I wanted your favorite character to be me. I didn't love you, obviously. I mean, why would I lie? You just made me a better woman even if you turned out not to be the right guy. I didn't want to be together. I guess it all does work out. Because now I never fail to have inspiration. What a situation to write about.